Yo, what's good? It's your boy Mike Teezy. Listen, we're doing something special today. I'm headed to the post office right now because we're about to do an unboxing video for a small Christian business. And I'm excited about this venture because I feel like there's a ton of businesses out there, especially like small Christian businesses, that I feel like need to be highlighted. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do that today, and probably gonna start a series of it, like just highlighting and shouting out different ones. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, family, we got our package. Let's get back to the studio and unbox this thing. All right, family, we're back in the studio. Now it's time to unbox this mug. The brand today is Favored Apparel. Ooh, I can't wait to see what they got going on. I'm feeling my help coming on. I had some brothers that had to curry, now I feel like Steph in the zone. I had to put the kingdom on my back, cause a lot of y'all repping it wrong. I'm setting the tone, they stenciling guns. Check it out. Oh, we got a card in here. It says, Mike, we're looking forward to partnering with you. Congrats on your success of Highly Favored. We hope that you love all of your new garments. Enjoy. Can't wait to collab with you. Shout out to Renee of Favored Apparel. Make sure y'all tap in with them. Okay, blackout bag, fire. Okay. So we gonna open all of these things. All right, first item we're opening is this hoodie. Oh yeah, this is tough. All right, so this hoodie says Favored Apparel. You got a F on the sleeve. This hoodie is fire. It feels like great quality. Man, I can't wait to wear it, for real. All right, let's get into the next item. Oh, it's items, excuse me. All right, let's get it. Okay, so next piece is this t-shirt. It's like a blacked out Favored logo with a white base. And we got this joint on the back. Super fire, trusting him. Favored Apparel at the bottom. Hard, make sure y'all tap in. And so this is the next one, got Favored Apparel on the back. Got this on the front. Last piece, let's get into it. It says the favorite shop on the front, and y'all seen the ice cream on the back. This is tough. It says serving up the gospel every Sunday. That's pretty clever. I think I'm about to rock this one right now and make a video with it. Let's get it.
Keep my armor on, don't leave the house without it. Me without the wind, little homie, I doubt it. Looking like defeat, cause he had me surrounded. I shouldn't have made it out, ain't no question about it. Highly favored. I'm highly favored.
Yo, that was the first of many unboxing videos. Again, shout out to Favored Apparel. Thank you guys so much for partnering with me for this video. Listen, if you are a small business and you would like me to do an unboxing of your merchandise, we got a form below where you can fill it out and we can set that up for you. So hit me up. I would love to do a video and shout you out. God bless y'all. I love y'all. Listen, if you like this video and you want more like it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Love y'all. God bless. We out.
Today's video is brought to you by Favored Apparel. Be sure to tap in with their website. It's favoredbrand.com. Also, the single featured in this video is entitled Highly Favored by yours truly. It's available on all streaming platforms. Make sure you get that too.